So today, it's the 10th annual Young Escoffier High School Cooking Competition. We've got 12 schools here from around the state and Wyoming. They're basically interpreting an Escoffier-inspired dish. It's called chicken fricassee, and they're also doing an accompaniment called salad niçoise.
Because we're starting round one. Everybody up, if I just called, and head on over to the kitchens. Remember your knives.
What they're being judged on is their organization, their cleanliness, their respect of the recipe, of the technique that they're applying to their dishes, and mostly they're having fun.
3, 2, 1. Okay, go ahead and start getting your ingredients.
Something like this is like new to us, so I think it does show like our advancements and how hard we have worked as a program to help build it to even come to a competition like this.
I think what I'm going to take away from today is definitely being able to execute certain recipes within a time frame. I think that's a really valuable skill, and today definitely being able to work under pressure and do that helps develop that skill.
So when I heard what was going on today, I had to fly in. I just flew in for the day just to be a part of it and to witness this amazing, amazing competition. It's beautiful. There's like students cooking all around us right now, waiting to be judged, and you can feel it. It's exciting. I'm excited for the students to not only have the experience, but potentially win this thing. And I could not be more proud to be here with everyone.
I would say having this experience really helps your confidence, just doing the competition.
Time!
I've only done one competition prior to this one, so I think this is really helping me get a sense of like how these things work. And otherwise, just being in a kitchen more, seeing what professionals do, I think it's a really helpful exposure to that world.
Good use of negative space, good portion size, under on the yolk, consistency with the wedges of the potato and the tomato.
Third place goes to Brush. Second place with 17 points, receiving $2,000 in scholarships, Laramie. First place with 18 points and $3,000 in scholarships is Ponderosa.